A big super there out in a Lyssons as we walk out on the road here and look on the roadway and the road condition. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Big super there out in a Lyssons. Yeah, me out in a Lyssons. I'm going to look on a section of the road out in a Lyssons. Yeah, which part? It did a undermine, because you know 6 months the road there do, and it did a undermine. It's 5:50 in the afternoon. Yeah man, August the 17th, and big super they out here, out in the community, a Lyssons, and we are take a walk in other direction. There is some paving work I take place. Yeah, so we just have a look on the roadway and the road condition. Yeah, but we have to stop and look back on the sign here. Yeah. Need and pen. Right, the sign start push out already. Yeah, you see that, my viewers and sub. So we are walk as usual. We don't know if we are gonna get. Yeah, alright my brethren. Blessings. We don't know if we will get nobody to talk to. But we see some work going on the road. And we just have to take a look and see what's going on, because right at this section of the road here, people, are 6 months in the making. Less than 6 months, the road did grade up and asphalt up, and since it's asphalt up, the road start to deteriorate and things. So the powers that being, we see them come and them asphalt it up, and them do some work on the road, people, and we like where I go on. Them do some work on the road, so we're there and we have to take a look. We have to take a closer examination of what go on the road there, people. So stick and stay and follow me as we walk out on the road here and look on the roadway and the road condition. And with the right in the vicinity. Yeah. Big up your son. Yeah, it is. Yeah, the viewers and stuff. So with the right in the vicinity at the church center, well, we see some work are going out here, and we just look on the roadway, looking at the road condition. Yeah, with viewers and stuff. Yeah. We just look on the road condition. So we see where some work taking place here, because this section of the road here, it's undermined. Yeah, this section of the road here undermined and deteriorate, and them come and them do some work on this section of the road here to kind of alleviate the traffic, you know. It's one of the drain, you know. So them come and them alleviate the traffic. So them oil the road, and we see where them asphalt in the vicinity. We see where them asphalt in the vicinity at the jerk center. The viewers and subscribers. So we don't know how much there and how long this project will take place here, because going right up back to Johnstown crossing also need to asphalt, so we don't know how this project will end up. But we're going to keep on up to date from time to time and make us see the level of work that's taking place out here, out in Lyssons on the road. The viewers and sub. We're going to make you guys see the level of work we're taking place out here, out in Lyssons. The viewers and subscribers. But we're here for giving us some update. Let you know that work taking place out here. Work taking place. Oh, okay. That's a middle of the call. Work taking place out here on the Lyssons stretch of the road here. Yeah, hey. Hey there, come here man, come talk to me man. We know that youth here, you know. Me and the youth go to school together, let me pass my camera. Yeah man. Oh, now run out these street truck? Yeah. Okay, so only just the road kind of undermines. But then they put on them the asphalt already, you know. Oh. And from the asphalt, when rain did fall, and we notice it kind of dig up back. Yeah man, that's why we come now a different contractor. Yeah. Okay, a different contractor. Okay, so only add some different. Yeah, we put up a mall to back and yeah, some like what go on, you know? Yeah, man, the people that are St.Thomas welcome you. Pick up yourself. Yeah, man, I'm glad to see you on. You know, the stay strong. Yeah, man, I want to some of them. Yeah, man. Alright, blessings. Yeah, man, some of you we just buck up all one of my long time classmates on the out up on the road work and many more reason and thing. But my viewers and sub out here and we see them aisle the road and them are paved back over the road. And remember that section of road here, it was done about roughly less than 6 months back. I think sometime in February when you can stand corrected and some rainfall and the whole of that section start to deteriorate. And so them send a team of man come out here and them grade down the road, aisle the road, and now them start to asphalt the road. So we just a walk, go up to Johnson Crossing and make you guys see exactly what really take place on the road. So we just want to know that work take place out here. Work take place out on the Lyssons main road to Johnson Crossing. That section of the road which part deteriorate rapidly too. But drain, gully, sidewalk, all of them something, I don't really see them thing there. I look after, some of them know where them are wait on. I mean, most likely them thing that you do first, you know, really do that part of the road the last. Well, look like them do that section the last before them do it first. Some of you and some big super is out here on the road, out of Lyssons, looking at the roadway, looking at the road condition to go back from Lyssons, basically from out of the bakery to Johnstown Crossing. Yeah, and things need to asphalt, need to pave. And so we're here to report on that. We see a team out here doing some work on the road, and work is in progress. You know, we are going to follow it up and giving us some update from time to time. So stick and stay, big super is out here. So have yourself a wonderful afternoon. Have yourself a wonderful afternoon. Peace out.